Hi guys, welcome to iMobie channel. If you get the custom binary blocked by FRP lock issue on your Samsung phone, it will probably be difficult to use it usually. But don't worry, in this video, we will fix it. FRP lock is protection for your device. As a result, binary custom blocked by FRP lock frequently arises after you have reinstalled an Android OS or modified other critical internal settings on your phone. If you have changed the stock firmware, you will encounter this error. First, download and launch DroidKit on your computer. Choose FRP bypass on DroidKit and connect your Samsung to your computer. Click Start to prepare configuration file for your device. After it is prepared, start to bypass. Follow the steps to get in recovery mode. Select the system version of your device. Follow the instructions to wipe cache partition on your device. After device, enter the FRP interface, then send notification. Now you will bypass it and access your phone. Go to Galaxy Store and download Alliance Shield. Then install it and sign up. After that, turn on Device Admin. Next, turn on Knox. Enter App Manager and turn on Service Mode. Turn on USB debugging in Developer Mode. Then go to General Management and Settings and reset your device. After that, it will be bypassing FRP. Please wait a minute patiently. And please set up your device normally once it restarts. Last bypass completed. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more tips, and leave your comment if you have any questions.